Drink until the last drop. So yummy. So, mga besh, mga friendship, kumusta kayo dyan? So, ngayon, another video po tayo. May bago akong video. At dito sa video ko na ito ay gagawa ako ng smoothie. So this fresh, healthy, and nutritious is good for you. So gagawa ako ng strawberry, banana, ginger smoothie. So this smoothie is perfect for your breakfast, dessert, or anytime in between. But before that, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, tara na mga beshi! Gagawa ako ng masarap na smoothie ngayon. Watch this! So guys, ito yung mga ingredients ko for my strawberry, banana, ginger smoothie. So, you can use fresh or frozen. But mine, fresh yung aking gagamitin. Strawberry, fresh milk, banana, and ginger. So, you can also use almond milk if you want to. And you can use honey if needed to sweeten. So, let's get started. So, ini-slice ko lang muna yung strawberry, guys. So, ayan. So, napakasimple lang gawin. Add all ingredients to the blender. So, kapag malapot yung smoothie, guys, pwede kayong magdagdag ng milk. Kapag ito ay hindi naman, pwede kayong magdagdag din ng ice or more fruits. So there you go, quench your thirst with this fast and fruity treat. Strawberry, banana, ginger smoothie. It's good for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Don't forget to click the tiny bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Drink until the last drop. So yummy. Alam nyo guys kung bakit naglalagay ako ng ginger sa aking smoothie? It helps prevent gas and bloating. So, masarap kaya siya guys kapag may ginger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.